Hey! We're gonna make a video on how to cure hiccups.
Because I have hiccups right now.
Do you?
Well, yeah, I had a hiccup like a minute ago.
A minute ago. That's a world record.
I feel one coming.
Do you?
No.
Pineapple!
Well, that was technique 1, scaring people.
Yes. If you shout pineapple in the course of someone having hiccups, you might mentally cure them.
I think it's gone, actually.
You have no hiccups. Problem cured.
I don't know.
You don't
Any
know.
other ways of curing?
Well, there is one reason why we're wearing this hat. This lucky hat. It's the hat you should put on a person who has hiccups.
Yes.
Please.
It is the hat of curing hiccups.
Put your hat on.
I shall put the hat on.
See?
A very small hat.
Like this. And you must wear this long john hat, whatever it's called. If you want to cure the hiccups by the other way.
So what's going on? How do I cure my hiccups, man? That's all I want to know.
No, you gotta move back. Move back, bro. Move back. Okay. So, wearing this long hat. Hookity, 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 hookity. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now it's the patient is curely cured. Whack this on their face. Just a few times.
Just how I like it.
And then you move the hat of wisdom curing over their face.
I can't see. Should I stop recording? Yeah, my hiccups have gone. It worked!
Follow the cure. Buy one.
Or one of these.
Yeah.
Oh, where is it?
There it is. I don't know. This kind of looks groovy. Yeah.
Winky winky bum bum. Winky winky.
Aussie.
Oh,
Oh,
so
cute.
Where is it?
Right, thanks. Bye.